Hi everyone, welcome to FinTech Academy. This is Hirsch. Today I want to show you how to create customers and projects in QuickBooks Online. Alright, so let's have a look at the first one, which is creating customers. If you invoice customers, then you definitely want to set up profiles for your customers in QuickBooks. By setting this information up ahead of time, you will save time later on when you need to create an invoice or sales receipt, because you will be able to select each customer from a drop-down menu, and most of the fields will automatically populate sales forms for you. Setting up your customers will allow you to do the following: expedite customer billing. Quickly create invoices for your customers, since all of your customer data like billing address, shipping address, and due date will automatically populate from the customer profile. Track sales by customer. Tracking items purchased by your customer is a great way to get to know what your customers like, so you can market to them strategically. Alright, let's have a look in QuickBooks Online. How do we create customers? On the left-hand navigation, we'll see there is sales, and within sales there is the customers panel. I'm going to click on the customers over here, and we will be taken to the customers panel. On the top right, there is that green button, which is for new customer. I'm going to click on the new customer, and we are taken to this window which is titled Customer Information. The only field that is mandatory is display name as. Yes, there is a red star, and that is the one which is only mandatory. But of course, when you are creating customers, the more the information, the better it is. Alright, so let's get started over here. I'm just going to type in the name of the company over here. For example, Sky Travels Inc. like this. I have the display name, which will be automatically filled in. The billing address, I'll select from here, 101 Training Lane, Mississauga. I'll go to the payment and billing. Let's say we do want to provide the terms over here, and I'm going to select net 30 like this. The more the information, the better it is, but for now I'm okay with this. I'm going to click on save, and my customer is created over here. I'm going to go to the dashboard on the left over here. And let's go and understand the second part of this tutorial, which is about creating projects. Right, so over here in QuickBooks Online, first of all, we got to make sure that the projects is available. I do have it over here on the left, projects, but just in case if you didn't have it, then what you need to do is on the top right, there is the gear icon. Within the gear icon, there is account and settings. You click on that, and once you are in account and settings, on the left, you will be able to see there is advanced tab. We click on the advanced tab, and if we go down, then there is projects over here. Organize all jobs related activity in one place. That is already turned on. If yours is off, that's what you turn it on, and click on save, and once the save is done, you click on done on the bottom right, and that will see in the left hand navigation over here, you will be able to see projects. I'm going to click on the projects right over here, and on the extreme right we see there is new project. So let's add a project over here. So the name of the project, let's say I'm going to call it job 1001, and then I need to select a customer to whom I want to link this project. So let's say Sky Travels Inc., and I'm just going to put in a note that if you want any details, you want to remember anything about that, so just let's say renovation of reception area. Okay, so like that, and I'm going to click on save. Okay, once I do that, the project is set right over here. So I have the job 1001 that has came over here, and underneath that there is Sky Travels Inc., for which the project is, and it shows it's in progress. If I click on the small down arrow over here, it'll show me whether, you know, if I want to change in future it's completed, or if it's any other, you can put the updates over here. All right, let's understand what we have in projects. Well, the first is the overview. It shows you the income, and it shows you the costs, which is going to be taken away from the income, and finally where do you stand on your project. The next tab is going to show you all the transactions that are related to this project over here. The time activity is the next tab that's going to show all the times that we have mentioned over here, and thereafter the last tab is where we can see projects report. On a click of a button you can see these reports ready over here. So if I go back on the left and click on the projects, someone says I want to add more projects, you can again click on new project, and you will be able to go back to the same menu, provide the name and the customer, and you can click save and start by adding more projects. Now, you know, I will be making another tutorial wherein I will be showing how do we record transactions, taking into consideration the project or the job, and could be invoices, could be expenses, so that we can see for the job where we are standing, what is the profitability, what are the expenses, what are the income, all those things. So for this video tutorial we covered two topics, creating customers and then linking the project to the customer. Alright folks, so if you found this video helpful and informative, please like our video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Also let me know in comments what would you like to see in future videos, i.e. Harsh, I want to see this video, or Harsh, can you make video on this topic for QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online. Alternatively, you can also visit us at fintechsolutions.ca for our courses. Thanks for stopping by.